To set up a baby monitor, start by installing the corresponding app from the App Store and creating an account. Next, pair the device by enabling Bluetooth on your smartphone and, for Android devices, also enable location services for the app. Save the baby monitor twice to activate pairing, indicated by a flashing Bluetooth light. If pairing fails, follow the app's instructions to connect the device, ensuring it's not already connected to another smartphone. Once paired, attach the monitor to your baby's clothing using the clip accessory, securing it to the diaper or snug-fitting sleepwear, and aligning the baby icon on the monitor with your baby's body for accurate readings. The app allows you to configure notifications, setting up alerts for 4 key baby moments: body movement, sleep position, ambient temperature, and more. Enable notifications in your phone settings to receive alarms and alerts, and keep your phone within a 15-foot range to ensure uninterrupted connectivity.